Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Olive Video Editor for AI-assisted workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Olive Video Editor website. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the page loads, look for the login option, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Once confirmed, click the Login button to access your account. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to the Olive Video Editor dashboard. In case of issues, a prompt may appear with error messages to guide you. Follow the instructions on the screen to resolve any login problems. Congratulations! You are now logged in and ready to explore AI-assisted workflow features in Olive Video Editor. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Start your project by creating a new video or accessing existing ones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.